Hi there, and welcome to our final episode, which is number 11 in our MPC Studio Masterclass series. This one we're covering how to export our beats out of MPC so we can then upload them online, send them to a friend, or even export as stems so you can bring the sounds into another DAW, or you might even want to send your beats to a pro mix and mastering engineer for that final treatment, and this will give them access to all of the audio files. Now, to do this is very simple. Now, within our software, we're going to head up to the File tab. Then under this, we're going to go to Export, and we're going to go down to Audio Mixdown. So here, we can render out our stereo output of our beat. We can include the master effects that we might have on the chain, and then we can select our file format. So I've got it selected as an MP3, which is a great format for uploading and sending across as email. But we can also select WAV file, AIFF, and we can also select our bitrate, so 16, 24-bit, 32 float. So we're going to use MP3, and all we simply do is press export, and now we just simply need to name our beat. So you can call this whatever you want, and once you've named your beat, we simply press the save button, and now we're exporting out. Now, once MPC's finished exporting, just navigate to your desktop and you'll see your MP3 file wherever you've saved it as your location. And now we can just play that back. Now, if we want to stem out our track so we can send it to our mix engineer, this is also very straightforward. So we're going to navigate to File, and we're going to go down to Export and then to Audio Mixdown. And this time we're going to take it off stereo output and select separate programs, WAV file, and then 24-bit or 32 float, whatever you want to use, and press export. And this is now going to take each individual program and create its own separate WAV file. So we're going to create a folder name. So we're going to call this Masterclass Stems. Press do it. And then we're going to give each file a name. So we're going to call this Masterclass Stems. Press save. And now MPC is exporting out all of our individual parts into stems. So once that's completed, just close down the software, and then what we'll do is navigate to our desktop and we'll go to our Masterclass Stems folder. So we'll click inside here, and now you can see all of the individual passes. Now what we'll do as well, we're just going to open up Logic and we're going to drag our Masterclass Stems straight inside this project, and then we're going to play these back. So let's grab all of these, pull them in to our arrangement, press OK, and now we've got all of our stems from our MPC project inside your DAW. And now that we've got our stems in our DAW, it's now up to you if you want to do your vocals, you want to mix your track, or send it to a mix engineer. So thanks for watching our MPC Studio Masterclass, a beginner's guide to beat making. I hope you've learned a lot of different techniques throughout these 11 episodes, but you can also head over to the Akai Pro website to watch even more of our Beats Academy videos. So until next time, I'm Andy Mack. Thanks again for watching, and have a great time making beats.